How's it going, guys, and welcome to the video. My name is Mitch and I'm part of the content creation team here at Clean Canvas, and today I'm going to go through the tutorial about how to set up your story page on your current theme. For the purpose of the theme today, I'm going to use our Symmetry theme, so don't worry if you're using one of our themes that's not Symmetry, this will still apply to you. You might see different sections that appear on the story page to mine. That's because each theme has their own specific sections, so don't worry if yours don't match mine. It's just that yours, like I mentioned, has different ones. If you have a section you'd like to see in your theme, please let us know in the comments section. I'll be sure to check it out and reach out to our developers, and hopefully in an upcoming update we can add in more sections to the story page. This video will also cover people that are using a trial version of our theme and are using a paid version of our theme, because when you're on a trial you might notice that you don't have the option to see the template, but there is a hack that I did discover, so I'm going to go through how you can do that. So hopefully that will help. One of the questions I do want to cover right off the bat is, can you have more than one story page on your theme? And unfortunately you can only have one story page. We added the story page feature because a lot of people want to have more customization on pages. So we were able to do that, but we did meet some limitations to it. So currently we can only have one story page. So if you try to create multiple thinking that'll work, it's only ever going to show you the first story page, I'm afraid. So with that covered, I'm going to get into the video and show you how you can set up your story page template feature in your theme. Alright guys, welcome to the video. So today we're going to obviously go over the tutorial about how to add the story page, but I'm also going to make it apply to two perspectives. So the perspective of someone that is currently using just the trial of the theme and are unable to see the template for the page.story. But also, if you already have purchased a theme, I'm also going to show you where you can go in and set this up, because you're probably wondering why you don't see it as an option. So first things first, if I'm, let's say, on a trial and I go over here to my website, here I want to see the page story option appear. Now, how do I do that? So if I go over here and go into pages and I click on add a page, I'm going to call it story page. Now, since I have debut installed and it doesn't have the template installed for the page story, I'm not going to see that template show up here. But if you have the theme purchased, you'll be able to see the template for page.story here. All you would do then is click save, and then when you go over to your theme, you'll just go in here and you'll see the option appear, and then when you click on it, you're going to be able to see the options on the left to edit that page. Now I want to show the people that are on the trial how they can get the template to appear for them. So I'm just going to save this for now, and then I'm going to head over to my theme section and I'm going to click on action and I'm going to edit the code inside debut. Now I'm not going to do major edits to the code, don't worry, it's going to be very simple and quick. So all I'm going to do is underneath templates, I'm going to click on add a new template. Here where it says article, I'm going to change that to page. And here where it's called alternate, I'm going to change that to story. I'm going to click create template. Make sure the S is not capital. Now that's created the template for me. That's all I need to do. Now I'm just going to refresh this page because I've noticed that sometimes it takes a little bit of time for it to update. But if you just refresh this page, down here if you scroll down on the left, you should see page.story, which means the template is saved. Now what that means is if I go over to my pages section and I click on story page, over here on the right I'll see the template section and I can see page.story is now appearing. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click save. Now if I head over to my customized themes section and refresh the page, once it's done, if I click home page, scroll down, I see story page appear. Now if I click on story page, you notice here on the left I have a story page option, and if I open that up I'll have a lot of more sections to choose from. Now like I mentioned, there's a few options here. I have 5, you might have less, you might have more. It's just depending on the theme you're using. So for Symmetry, these are the options for Symmetry. I can go in here, customize it any way I want, and I can arrange them any way I want as well, and they will show up then on the story page link. So thanks guys for watching. I hope the video was helpful and helped you set up your story page template on your website. If you have any questions about the process or if we missed anything, please do leave comments below. I will have a look through and try and respond to any questions that are down there, or the Shopify community might be able to also help you out with this. If you do like the video as well, please do consider subscribing to the channel, as we'll be putting out more video content each week with about 1 or 2 videos that will hopefully help you learn some aspects of the theme that you weren't aware of, or at least try and show you maybe some features that have come since you purchased the theme. With that being said guys, thank you very much again for watching, and I hope you all have yourself a great day.